What's up guys, it's your girl Imani here. I'm back for another video and I'm just jumping on here to tell you guys that I'm so excited. I'm a few days late in announcing this, partly because I didn't even realize I jumped into this until I did. But I'm doing something a little different on my channel. You guys know that I post on Tuesdays and Saturdays. Well, for the month of March, I will be posting every single day up until March 20th, which is your girl's birthday. It is March Madness out here and I am so excited. I'm not gonna hold you. I'm a little intimidated because I have never even attempted this before, but we gonna work this out. We gonna do this together, guys. So make sure y'all comment below any videos that you guys would like to see me do throughout this time or just in general. Also, what assumptions do you have of me? Any assumptions that you might have of me, comment that below. I've been seeing that video floating around YouTube for some time now and it just looks really interesting. I would love to like clarify anything that you might be assuming about me. So comment your assumptions about me below and I will get to that video on a later date. Also, where are my March babies at? Like, we got birthdays coming up. Happy birthday to you guys. Comment below when your birthday is, especially if you are a March baby. Love you. Like, we got this bond already. Pisces, y'all know how we are. We're a little nuts, just a little bit. So yeah, comment below what videos you'd like to see from me throughout this time. Comment your assumptions about me and I'll answer those. As soon as I get a good amount of assumptions, I'll answer that at a later date. Other than that, be sure to stay tuned. If you are not subscribed, this is the time to subscribe right now. Hit that bell, that notification button, so you can be notified every time I make a new video. I'm going to do my best at making sure that the video comes out every day at 6:30 p.m. Eastern time. So just keep that in mind. But if you hit the bell, it's just even easier for you. You don't even have to remember the time, okay? So I'm super excited about this. I hope you guys are too. I will see y'all tomorrow for the next video. All right? Love you guys. Bye.